everyone, this is Ramya. I am studying 9th standard in Zikar High School. Today my project name is Working Model of Heart. Heart is the pumping station of the body. In human being, heart beats 72 times per day and 1 lakh times per day. In present generation, so many people are dying from heart attack. So we have to know about our heart. Heart is in pear shape. Heart has 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called atrium and lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. These are arteries. Arteries carries oxygenated blood from heart to other parts of the body. These are veins. Veins carries deoxygenated blood from other parts of the body to heart. This is the largest artery in heart is aorta. This is superior vena cava. It collects blood from anterior parts of the body like head and neck. This is the inferior vena cava. It collects the blood from posterior parts of the body like hands and legs. The blood of superior vena cava and inferior vena cava goes to right atrium. Then it enters to right ventricle through the wall of tricuspid wall. Then pulmonary artery carries the blood to the lungs for the purification of blood. Then the blood enters the left atrium through the pulmonary vein. Then blood enters the left ventricle through the wall of bicuspid wall. Then systematic artery carries the blood to all parts of the body. Symptoms of heart attack. Heart attack symptoms include tightness or pain in chest, abnormal heartbeat and anxiety. If anyone was affected by the heart attack, you have to do CPR. CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. You have to keep your hand like this and between the rib cage and lungs. You have to press deeply to the heart, then the blood will circulate. You have to do this continuously. This is CPR is used to an emergency life-saving process that is done when person is not breathing or